Hey, what's up people? Today I will be going to show you how to install Cydia on iOS 10.2.1 or any iOS 10 version. So let's get started. Now I'll be showing you which iOS version I'm running on right now. So it's 10.2.1. So let's get straight into the video. Let's get started. First, open your Impactor application, connect it with your phone, and place your jailbreak or your Cydia app to the Impactor. Continue the process by entering your email address and your app specific password. It will start the installation. As you can see, the procedure is going on, and here is your main application. Download it onto your phone. So here we can see our Cydia app or the jailbreak app has been installed. You need to trust the application. For that, go to settings, general and device management, and just trust your application. Head back to your application, Cydia application or the jailbreak application, hit on the jailbreak and the device will start jailbreaking itself. It will show a warning where your storage is almost full, but just ignore it, it won't matter, and your phone will restart in few seconds. Once your phone gets restart, just enter your passcode if you have any and then return to the application. Here you will see that the Cydia app hasn't installed yet. It will refresh your phone once or twice. Just wait for the Cydia to be on your screen. It might take a minute or two for that. Just wait. After waiting for a few minutes, your Cydia application will be installed. Just open your application now and head towards the tweaks you want to install on your phone. Now, as you are on your Cydia, I hope you won't misuse it and do whatever you want, my lovely friends.